Welcome to M Brand Channel. The world has every beauty in its nature. Animals, hills, oceans, and valleys. This makes it look beautiful and natural. M Brand, we bring you the most fascinating insights into the animal kingdom. In today's video, we will take you on a journey to explore the world of monkeys, some of the most intelligent and fascinating creatures in the animal kingdom. We all know that monkeys are found in various parts of the world, from tropical forests to urban areas. They are highly social animals that live in groups, which can range from just a few individuals to hundreds. Within these groups, monkeys establish complex social hierarchies, with dominant individuals having priority access to food, mates, and other resources. One of the most interesting aspects of monkey behavior is their use of tools. Some species have been observed using sticks to extract insects from tree bark, while others use stones to crack open nuts. Monkeys also use vocalizations and body language to communicate with each other, and scientists have identified dozens of different calls that they use to convey specific messages.
They are swimming. You see they are swimming. Microphone.
These incredible creatures continue to amaze us with their intelligence, social behavior, and use of tools. So next time you see a monkey swinging through the trees or playing in a zoo, take a moment to appreciate the amazing complexity of their lives. Thank you for watching, and be sure to subscribe to our channel for more fascinating insights into the animal kingdom.